Right, first off, let's grab a trolley and let's go. Right, you want to grab yourself one of these Mediterranean-style vegetables, only £1.19. Okay, next you're going to grab yourself some baby spinach. Get the one that's washed and ready to eat. Right, next we're going to grab some of these chicken fillet thighs. Look at all those you get. You get loads in there, and they're only £5.69. Right, next we're going to grab yourself one of these coconut milk to reduce fat, just one of them. And also grab yourself one of these, a Thai green curry paste. There we go. And finally, grab yourself one of these extra tasty seasonings from Bramwell's. Right, there we go. Let's get it home. Let's cook it up. Right, so I'm back home now, guys. So there's all my ingredients there. Also using a few staples. We've got some ground ginger. We've got some paprika, some chili powder, some salt, some pepper, and possibly might use this tin of tomatoes. But first things first, I've got my chicken in the pan and letting that brown off. Then I'm going to open my seasoning and just get that seasoned. There we go. Get it all over. The whole packet. Good stuff. And then give that a really good mix around. Right, the chicken's nice and browned off. Now we're going to get that straight into our casserole pot, like so. If you haven't got one of them, then try and use something else. You could cook this in a slow cooker as well. Next, we're going to get our Thai green curry paste into our frying pan. That's right, we put it in there. Just get it all in, every last bit. There we go. And then we're going to give that a little fry off, just to fry it off a little bit. And then you're going to add your coconut milk straight into there as well. Get that all in. Tiny bit of chili powder, not too much, just that'll do you. Also going to add a little bit of ground ginger. Just a little bit. And then also optional, you don't have to add this if you want, but you can do. Get yourself some paprika in there, not too much. And then all you need to do now is give that a really good mix around, like so. And then get that straight into your casserole dish on your chicken. Look at that. There we go. You need to add some salt. And we need to add some pepper. Now you're going to add your Mediterranean veg. Now you don't have to have this. You can make your own. It depends what you like and what you don't like. So you're going to get that all in there, like so. Right, so I've just added my Mediterranean veg. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. It's entirely up to you. Also, you can add tomatoes if you want to. You don't have to. On this occasion, I'm not going to. Just going to add my baby spinach. This one's the pre-washed one, ready to eat. And there we go, guys. That's the end result. And then all you're going to do now is pop on your lid. And then that's going to go in the oven for approximately 40 minutes on 160. Right, out the oven. Take it off. There we go. And all the spinach is like that. How good does that look? I'm going to give that a really good mix up. And there we go. That is it. If you do want it thicker, I recommend using full-fat coconut milk. And there you go, guys. Enjoy that. That is absolutely banging. Look at that for a meal. Very nice. Full of protein.